How to sign up on Vantage application. Hey everyone, welcome back to Trading for Beginners. Today we are going to learn how to sign up and get started on the Vantage app. So here's how you do it. Launch open the Vantage application on your mobile device. If you don't have the app yet, go visit your App Store or your Play Store and download the app and launch it open. Once you're inside this home page, click on Sign Up/Login button at the top and then go ahead and select your country. Now click on Create Account at the bottom. You can go ahead and sign up using your phone number or email. I'm going to choose email from the top and write it down in the text box. If you've selected phone number, enter your phone number. After typing down an email or phone number, go to the next field and create a password for your account, including the criterias. After you do that, if you've got a referral code, click the referral drop-down and enter your referral code in the text box. If not, skip referral code option and then click on sign up at the bottom. Make sure that you've checked this box over here to agree to the terms of privacy policy. Now once hitting the sign up button, you'll be able to sign up for an account. Now you can open up your demo account to start practicing first before using real funds, or simply create a real account by tapping on open account and following through the prompts. So there you have it. You have successfully signed up for Vantage. You can now explore the trading options, demo accounts, and dashboard features. That's how you sign up for a Vantage app in a simple way. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.